In this video, I'll show you how to create a Canva account. First, open your web browser and go to the official Canva website, or download the Canva app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the page or app loads, click on the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. Next, choose how you want to sign up. Canva gives you several options, including using your email address, or continuing with Google, Apple, or Facebook for a quicker setup. If you choose email, enter your email address and create a secure password. After that, Canva will send a verification email or code. Go to your inbox, open the message, and click the verification link or enter the code to confirm your account. Once verified, Canva may ask you a few quick questions about how you plan to use the platform, such as for personal use, business, education, or content creation. This helps customize your dashboard and recommendations. After completing the setup, you'll be taken to the Canva home screen, where you can start creating designs like presentations, social media posts, videos, and more. You can also explore templates, upload your own images, and customize designs right away. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.